Welcome to Yasmin Khan Skin. This presentation will provide you with a description of your unique skin type and recommendations on how to care for your skin type. If you wish the company to develop a skincare plan for your skin type, you can contact us and we will develop a personal treatment plan for your skin type. With the correct skin diagnosis and a personal treatment plan which may include in-clinic treatment, you can be assured your skin's health will improve, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion.
Dry resistant non-pigmented and wrinkled skin are people with an easy skin type and is a common skin type among Europeans and fair-skinned Americans.
In youth, your skin is low maintenance, causing this skin type to neglect the skin. It is important to look after your skin. The damage will show itself later. Starting young with sun protection is a must. This skin type can tolerate sunscreens and can tolerate most cosmetic products. A detailed look at your skin shows difficulty to tan. You have lines around the eyes in early 30s. It is important to look after your skin. Minimal skin problems, accelerated wrinkling from mid-30s, increased dryness and wrinkling in 40s and 50s. Daily care for your skin includes protection. Aging is slower if you are proactive. Your skincare goal is to address dryness and wrinkles with products that deliver antioxidants, moisturizers and retinoids.
Your AM routine includes wash with glycolic cleanser and apply an antioxidant serum, spray facial water, apply an SPF moisturizer and sunscreen, apply an eye cream, optional. Your PM routine includes wash with same cleanser as AM, apply an antioxidant serum, spray facial water and apply eye cream, apply a night cream.